Hello, my dear aspirants. I hope all of you are doing well. A lot of you were asking me regarding the cutoff of Northeast SLET this year, that is 2026. So, in this video, I am just going to discuss expected cutoff of 2026 SLET exam. In this video only, I am going to share the PDFs of 2023, 24, and 25 last 3 years cutoff of SLET for each and every subject. So, by comparing the marks or by comparing the cutoffs of the last 3 years, we can at least estimate the cutoff for this year also. But remember, this is just approximate or just from my idea. Just by relying on this video, you can't determine the cutoff. Obviously, you have to wait for your actual results. So watch the video till end, and if you have any kind of doubt or query, you can comment down below. This was the cutoff list for 2023 SLET. Subjects, then categories are written in the columns, and you can see for Assamese it was 60. And in the right side, the total seats are written here, like 106 seats were there for Assamese. Then similarly, like for English, unreserved it was 62, economic 66.66. For education, the cutoff for general category was 66.66. It was same like economics and education were same. So here OBC, SC, ST, PWD, EWS, all the categories are mentioned, but I am just focusing on the unreserved category because that's the maximum one. So for geography, like you had 60.66. For Manipuri it was 60%. Then for Bodo, you can see 61.33% was there, and it was only for ST category, and total seats were 2 only. Like for Bengali, it was again 68.66. For Hindi, 61.33. Anthropology, Sanskrit, Sociology, you can see all the cutoffs here for general, OBC, SC, ST, and EWS, PWD. Similarly, you can see the cutoffs for Arabic, Persian, Law, Commerce, Chemical Science, Life Science, etc. Like for Persian, you can see only for general category seats were there, and for PWD seats were there, not for OBC, ST, SC. Now I am focusing a little more on life science because I am a life science educator. So here the cutoff for general category was 58.66 in 2023, and for reserved category it was like 53.33 for OBC, and total seats were 210. Now see here, life science seats are little more than the remaining subjects because in life science it's not like only one subject. People belonging from various departments like botany, zoology, biochemistry, microbiology all falls under life science category. That's why seats were more. Like total seats were 1333 for 2023. Now coming to the cutoff list of 2024, here you can see cutoffs were almost similar, but in some subjects cutoffs were too high. Like for philosophy, you can see extremely high cutoff as compared to the previous year. Like for philosophy, the cutoff for general category was 74%, whereas for OBC, SC, ST, it was very low as compared to the general category. So it's very unpredictable. Then again for Bodo, this time one seat was increased. Total seat was 3. Okay, and the cutoffs were also varying this time. Coming to anthropology, again it is a average percentage. Sanskrit, Sociology, Arabic, Persian, you can see of Arabic was also high this time. Then for Persian, the cutoff dropped again. For Law, you can see Nepali, Commerce, Management, Chemical Science. Here just focus on the general category cutoffs, okay, because that's the maximum. Now life science, this time it increased. It was around 58 in 2023, but it became 61.33 in 2024. So it increased, and the total seats was also decreased. Okay, it was above 200, but now it's 192, and the overall seats, means total seats, was also low as compared to the previous year. Now this is the cutoff list of 2025. The picture is not very visible, but I hope you can still see or view the numbers. Like for Assamese 57, just focus on the general category cutoffs, okay, because that's the maximum one. So I hope you can see, like for political science it's 60.67, geography 60, Manipuri 53.33, Bodo again seat decreased, only 2 seats were there, Bengali 62.67, anthropology 64.67, Sanskrit, sociology, Arabic. I hope you can view the numbers. Then for Persian it's 54, law it's 58.67, Nepali 66, psychology 68.67, commerce 58.67, management 57.33, chemical science 60.67. Now coming to life science, let's focus here. Again the cutoff dropped as compared to 2024. It became 58 again. Then for reserved categories it's like 52, 50, 53, 40 and so on, and the total seats were 192 only. For mathematical science, mathematics 58, for statistics 64, like that. Total seats were 1256 this time in 2025. Now coming to the expected cutoff of 2026, this is an expected cutoff which I calculated from my idea, but don't rely or don't comment like whenever results will come, final cutoff will come, don't comment that ma'am you lied to us, because it's just an expected cutoff which I think can be okay. So many of you were asking me about the cutoff, expected cutoff, that's why I just made the video. Okay. For Assamese, the cutoff for general category can be between 58 to 61, for OBC 52 to 55, SC 47 to 50, ST 55 to 58 and so on. For English it can be 61 to 64, for OBC 56 to 59, for SC 52 to 57, for ST 57 to 60 and for PWD 55 to 58, in between this range. Okay, like similarly for economics, for general category can be 59 to 62, education for general category 64 to 67, history 59 to 54 to 62 for general. I'm just reading out the general one, rest you can see here. For philosophy, minimum will be 68 and maximum can be 72, 73, like that. For political science it can be like 61 to 64, for geography it can be 61 to 64 again, for Manipuri it can be 54 to 57, for Bengali it can be 61 to 64 maximum. Okay, so but yes, it can vary also, like the maximum can go up also, but be strict for the minimum one. Okay, then for Hindi it can be 60 to 63, for Sanskrit 62 to 66, for sociology it can be between 61 to 64, for anthropology it can be between 60 to 63, then for commerce can be between 69 to 62. Now focus on life science, maximum can be 60 to 63 like that, and minimum is 58 if we compare the previous year cutoff list, and accordingly you can see the reserved categories also. Then for chemical science it can be between 60 to 64, for physical science it can be between 58 to 62, then for mathematical science it can be 59 to 63, for computer science it can be between 60 to 64. Now these are the expected cutoffs. So I hope you have already calculated your percentage, so you see if it falls in this range or not, and comment down what was your percentage when you calculated. Okay, and wait for the results. The results are coming very soon. And again I'm saying, if you want to take detailed coaching of SLET life science, then you can comment down below or you can contact in the given number. Bye and all the best for your results.